In all the years I've been using Clearview mirrors, I would have to say that they are an outstanding product. Now, what I mean by that is the time and effort that has gone into designing and building this product so that it actually works. It handles the tough conditions that All for Adventure puts it through.
Shut my window because I'm going to jam it into these couple of trees here. A super tough bloody Clearview slammed inside of my truck.
Now, we definitely set the standard when it comes to towing, not only on the tarmac, but off-road. Mate, I have towed that much gear into some of the toughest places in Australia, and the whole time, it's all about my mirrors.
First time I've towed with these Clearview split mirrors. Bloody handy having them one on your tyres and one a bit further up, you know? Absolutely, I need them in the caravan so I can see the top of the van.
These ones I've got, they're like convex, and you can see both.
Oh, nice.
Using Clearview mirrors when you're reversing, when you're towing down the highway, when you're stuck in a tricky situation that you've got to get out of.
As far as I'm getting.
And you need to see what's going on around you, the Clearview Towing Mirrors do the job. There's two mirrors to the one that I have. It's called the Next Gen Towing Mirror. Not only does it extend out 180 mils, but the top mirror is what you see. It is a 1-to-1 ratio. When you look in that mirror, it is what you're looking at. Now they've got this second curved lens that picks up any blind spots that you might miss when you're trying to change lanes on the highway. When I'm out in the bush, I can actually set that lens on my tyre to see what I'm gonna drive over or not. They also are electrically operated, so any of the electrical functions or automatic functions that you've got on your vehicle, the towing mirror will pick it up as well. So you've got full adjustment in the lens, like that. You've also got a Cat 6 indicator lamp, and they fold in and out. Mate, it's pretty cool when you've got a set of mirrors that look factory, but can extend 180 millimeters to pick up anything that you're towing. And remember, it's actually illegal not to have towing mirrors on when you've got yourself a caravan.